Welcome dear students to another class of computer. This video is the continuation of previous video that belongs to chapter number 4, that is more PowerPoint presentation. Okay, so the topic that we are going to discuss today is inserting a picture. So sometimes you insert tables, pictures, photos, clip arts or other images to your slide to make it look interesting, or you can say to look uh, uh, proper, or you can say effective. Okay, so for doing inserting these things, we can insert single or multiple images on a slide, or we can also insert the images on slide master or to the background. Okay, so you can insert multiple pictures at the same time. Press and hold the control key while you select all the pictures you want to insert. Okay, so here are some steps. So insert a picture from computer onto the slides. So for following are the instructions that are given here. Step 1 is click where you want to insert the picture on the slide. So you will find this insert tab, and in insert tab you will find a picture option. Second step. Okay, so the second step is on the insert tab in the image group, click on pictures. Okay, and then third step is in the insert picture dialog box will appear like given in the slide. Okay, so from there, that dialog box, you can select a picture that you want to insert. Then you have to click on that picture and then click on insert. So these are the steps that you can insert a picture from your computer onto the slide. But sometimes it also happen that you have to insert picture from the net or web. Okay, so for inserting a picture from web or internet, what you have to do is you have to follow certain steps. So here steps are given. Step 1 is click where you want to insert the picture on the slide. Okay, that is your slide. And then second step is on the insert tab in the images group, click on online pictures. Okay, after picture that we have inserted in previous inserting a picture from computer, next icon to pictures is online pictures. So you have to select this online pictures option. After selecting that option, you have to click on Bing image search box will appear. It can be any other browser also, but by default Bing image search box will appear. Okay, in that particular box, type what you are searching for and press enter. That means if you want to select a picture of animal or flower, that you have to type. Okay, images as per your search will be displayed. Whatever type of image you want, that image will be displayed, and then you have to click on the picture you want to insert and then click on insert. This action will insert the picture in the slide. I hope these instructions are clear. You can try these things. If you are having Microsoft Office 2016, you can try these things. Okay, next is change size and position of the inserted picture. For changing the size and position of in picture, you can change the size and position of the inserted picture. For that, you have to do is right click on the picture and click on format picture. You from the mini menu. Okay, whenever you are right clicking, you will find this option format picture, and then go to picture tools that you are on that are on the right side of your picture. Okay, like that you can resize the picture. Next is inserting word art. Word art means you can change the design of the text alphabets. Okay, so the word art gallery include different styles that can be applied to the text, that is different styles, colors, fonts, etc. Okay, so for that you have to follow certain steps to insert the word art. So 3 steps are given here. You have to follow those steps. Step 1 is first you have to go on insert tab of the main menu. Under text group, click on word art, and then after that you have to go on second step. Second step is pick the word art style you want. Okay, the letter A is presented different styles in a drop down menu that can be applied to your text. Here alphabet A is given, but that particular style will apply to the text that you are selecting. Okay, and enter your own text to replace the placeholder text in your text. Your text here, your text here means in that particular box you can type any text that will that this formatting is applied to that particular text. Okay, So this is the way you can insert word art. Word art means the word that you are writing, it can be taking the arts, different types of forms by using this thing. Okay. Next is change the fill and outline color of the word art. Fill means the for example, here you are finding A. So inside A, the filling is known as fill, and the outside lining is known as outline. Okay, like you are writing an alphabet A with borders as well as filling. So filling is inside color and outline means borders. Okay, boundaries. So you have to follow certain steps to apply change fill and outline. So first of all, you have to select the word art, text or letters to be changed, and then click on the drawing tools format tab. There you will find text fill or text outline, and pick the color you want to apply on the filling, as well as you can change the different color to the outline also or outside. Okay, so by this way you can change the fill color or outside color or outline color. Okay, next point is rotating or flipping word art text. We can rotate or change. Flip means you can move. So we can do these things with the PowerPoint. Rotate or flipping the word art text. For that, you have to follow 3 steps. Step 1 is to rotate word art text to any angle, select it, and then drag the circular rotation handle at the top of the box. That means you will find the rotation box, so you have to click on that thing. Second option is to flip word art or rotate it to 60-degree. Click on the drawing tools format tab. For that you have to click on drawing tool format tab, and then you can find different options. Then click on rotate. More rotation option in the arrangement group. Format pan will appear and you can select an option. So in rotate, here you can see rotate right 90-degree. So it will rotate the thing in 90-degree mode, right side. And if you will click on rotate left 90-degree, then it will rotate the object or text through left 90-degree. Flip vertically, it will flip vertically. Flip horizontally means it will change the side to the horizontal position. Vertically means up and down, and horizontally means left to right, it will change. Okay. And format picture option, you can find different options. You can change rotation by 60-degree, 30-degree, 40-degree, like this. So you can check these pictures and you can just change the values, and you can see the operation on the PowerPoint slide. Okay. Next topic is add audio track to a slide. We can add audio or video to a slide. So for adding an audio track, audio means a voice. Okay, music you can say. So for that you have to select the PowerPoint slide where the audio should begin playing. Okay, so you have to first select the slide, and then you have to click on insert tab. Okay, in insert tab you will find an audio option in the right hand side, second last option of the right hand side. Okay, audio. Then you will have the choice to select audio on my PC and record audio. That means audio on my PC means the songs that you have already stored, music. Okay, and record audio means if you don't want the music from your PC, you just want to record something and then you want to put it on your slide, then you can go for record audio. For recording audio you should have a mic. Okay, and for listening audio you should have a speaker. Okay, so third step is click on audio on my PC to select an existing file on your computer, and if you're having already files, then you can select from that audio on my PC, and then if you want to click record something, then you have to click on record audio. After clicking on record audio, you can record. You have to click on record button to make a clip of your own audio. Like I am recording this, so I have to use this option, record sound. Okay, and if I want to show you some others audio, then I can select that audio with whatever in my PC. I can put that audio in this slides. Okay, so the video that you are checking, it is made from the PowerPoint. Okay, next is step 4. Click on insert, and an audio bar will paste it onto your presentation. The bar includes a play, Play means to play the video audio, and pause button, and then you can have a skip forward option or backward. Okay, and you can adjust the volume also to your audio. And this is step number 4. Step 5 is click and drag to move the audio bar to its preferred location on your slide. That means we can change the audio location if you want it on the top, left, right, to bottom, whatever, wherever you want to place that particular audio, you can place it. Okay, so this is step number 5. Step number 6 is you have to click on the audio box on the slide where you originally dropped the audio file. Then format and playback will appear in audio tools of the top navigation bar. You can just read these steps and you can just apply it on your PowerPoint 2016. You will find the required options there. Next is step number 7. So for click on playback and choose where you did like the track to play in the background on your entire presentation. Loop until means it will repeat that particular audio again and again. Okay, to start automatically when clicked. Fade in and fade out options are also there to play across the slides. Fade in means the audio will start with a slow voice, that is fade in, and fade out means whenever audio will and it will just end with the low voice. Okay, that is fade out. Similarly, like we have inserted audio track, we can insert a video also to a slide. So next topic is add video to a slide. So PowerPoint gives us a facility, or it allows us to insert a video onto a slide and then we can play it during presentation. This is a great way to make the presentation more engaging for the audience. So there are 2 steps by which we can place a video on your slide. So step 1 is from the insert tab, click on the video drop down arrow and then select the video from your PC and that video will appear here. Okay, and step 2 is locate and select the desired video file and then click on insert. The video will be added to your slide. So like this you can add your video to your slide and you can just press F5 to start the slideshow. Okay, so just apply these things in your PC if you are having Microsoft Windows 2016, and for Microsoft Office 2010 the options are little bit different, but you will find other options also. Okay, so just try it. If you are having any problem, feel free to ask. Okay, so this is all about today's class. We will continue this chapter in the next video also. Thank you, students.